haven't been feeling too well. I do have some reviews coming, but in the meantime, I'm gonna do an unboxing. Got these mini Tubbz from Five and Below. I'm gonna start with Beetlejuice. You may be like, oh, it's too early for Halloween stuff. Have you met me? Look how cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, next is Pennywise. I'm so excited. I did order a Michael Myers one, but they ended up emailing me that they ran out of stock, so they couldn't send me that one. But I'm very excited for the ones that did come. Look at that, you. Oh my goodness. Okay, so up next we have Billy the puppet. I was gonna say Jigsaw. I guess it's Billy the puppet. You learn something new every day. Last but not least is Chucky.